Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Christmas dessert video. I'm bringing you some grocery store hacks showing you how to upgrade really plain cakes and make them totally special. This is also a collab with my friend here on YouTube, Blondie Next Door. She's also doing a Christmas dessert video, something really unique. She's showing you how you can change a couple ingredients and make totally different desserts. So I'm going to put the links below to her channel and her video so you can check her out after this. You want to stop by her channel anyway. She is a mom. She's got totally awesome lifestyle, motherhood videos. Check her out. But first I'm going to show you this. I got 3 different techniques. We're going to take basic, really plain cakes, do really simple things to them and make them look totally different. Perfect for the holidays. Let's get started. Alright, so this first one is so super simple. It's just a plain cake, and I'm going to take a gift wrap bow I got at the Dollar Tree. I put this under some really hot water and I'm placing it on top. So simple and pretty. And now I'm also starting with that same plain white cake, and I'm gonna put a snowy mountain of flaked coconuts on top. I'm gonna make just a nice pile. I'm just gonna play with it and get the level that I like. If you don't like coconut, I know some people don't, you could use shaved white chocolate. I've done that before. Just use like a vegetable peeler and go over a white chocolate bar to get your shavings, but this is just easier. And then I'm gonna use a floral pick, also from the Dollar Tree, also under some really hot water to sanitize. And put it right in the center. It looks like a snowy forest scene. And this one might be my favorite cake. I've got a plain white cake and I've got these little gingerbread men. They're by Pepperidge Farm. Use whatever you like. If you can't find gingerbread men, you could use little cookies shaped like trees, whatever. You just want a fun little Christmas shape, and place them along the cake. I had this cake sitting out for a little bit so the frosting was soft, and you'll see here the cookies, they're gonna go on nice and easy. But if you had trouble, you could just use a jar of store-bought frosting, put a little bit on the back of each cookie and stick them on, but it shouldn't be too big a problem. And then you just go around the perimeter of the cake, applying each cookie. I first saw one of my great aunts do this when I was a little girl. She did it with cookies shaped like angels, and I thought it was just so genius, so I'm reusing the idea. And you know, you could just leave it like this, but I'm gonna put some gold cake glitter on top just because it's Christmas, make it a little extra special. You could use sprinkles, whatever you find in the store. I got these on Amazon, but use whatever you like. Just jazz it up, and it's so simple and pretty. And there you go. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the red subscribe button to see more videos like this. I have DIYs every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now head on over to Blondie Next Door. Tell her I said hi.